Hey world, it's me Jace from Veg-Out, a vegan travel show, and we're excited to be with you celebrating US VegWeek in a series of videos we made to help out any folks that are interested in trying out veganism. In this video, we'll be exploring egg alternatives in vegan baking. Going vegan isn't a root canal for anyone with a sweet tooth. From cookies to cakes, to brownies and beyond, the world is your mock oyster. You see, when you're baking with eggs, they act as emulsifiers or leavening agents. In vegan baking, the focus is finding non-ovo sources to fulfill these same roles. Today we'll be using bananas, applesauce, canned pumpkin, and SILKEN tofu, although other alternatives include flaxseed, chia seed, mashed potatoes, pureed prunes, neat egg, energy replacer, chickpea flour, and coconut or soy yogurt, just to name a few. When using bananas, mash and mix in 1/2 of banana for every egg. Use 1/4 cup of SILKEN tofu blended until creamy per egg. 1/4 cup of canned pumpkin also works. Or 2 tablespoons applesauce. We recommend trying a few different alternatives and trying to figure out what works best for you. I mean, it's not always a good idea to put all your vegan eggs in one basket. Vegan baking is clearly no yolk.